pulling into a new road. Once we've got ourselves in, check our mirror, see who's followed us, and then scan for potential hazards. The van definitely looks like one to me. It's reversing into a side street. Let's keep an eye on it and see what happens. Let's not trust him too much. Right, he's stopped behind the giveaway. He's got eye contact with us. It appears as though he's definitely going to stop and let us drive past, as he should do. But let's see. Quite quickly, he changes his mind, pulls out right in front of us, and waves as if it's kind of okay to do that sort of thing. Unfortunately, the guy who was driving, on only his second lesson by the way, acted brilliantly. Straight on the brakes, brought the car to a pause. He was expecting the van to do something like that, so he didn't overreact or underreact when it did do that. Great to see, and a great example of how important it is to plan and anticipate right up the road all your potential hazards.